like being afraid, but sometimes I get scared anyway. And when I do, I just think about you and how much you love me. And I'm not afraid anymore. I love you, Lord.
Lord, once when in a dream I lost my baseball. I looked through those woods, then I prayed. When I opened my eyes, there was my baseball right at my feet. I love you.
Oh Lord, I remember we moved to the new town. I didn't have any friends. It could be so hard, but you were there. You're my best friend. I love you, Lord.